In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to easily find your saved posts on the LinkedIn mobile app. Saving a post is a great way to keep track of interesting content that you come across on your feed. It allows you to quickly access it and refer back to it later without having to search for it again. To get started, open up the LinkedIn app, and then, for the purpose of this video, let's save this post. To do that, tap on these three little dots at the top right of the post, and then tap Save. Now that post is saved, so let me show you how to find it. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap View Profile. And then scroll down until you see a section called Resources. Tap where it says Show all 5 resources. What you want to do next is tap on the My Items option. And then tap on the Saved Posts and Articles option. Now you'll be able to see all the posts you've saved on LinkedIn. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.